How to fix activation failed on Viber. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix if Viber says activation failed whenever you're trying to log in or sign up for a new account. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now generally when you get this type of error, you have to understand that the issue is actually with the number. It could have been banned from using Viber. So let's say you had an account before and it got banned for some reason, you're trying to log in again, your number could have simply been banned. So in this case, if you're trying to sign up for a new account, you can just try to use a new number and that should solve the problem. But if you're trying to gain access back into your old account, there are a couple of things you can do. The very first thing you have to make sure is that your phone is actually receiving text messages. So you want to make sure you have not turned on flight mode. Just make sure you turn off flight mode, make sure both of your phone number is input correctly, and then make sure that you open the messages app and then check if all of your messages are still being received. Now once you've made sure of that, you can also simply try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to mobile data, or if you're using mobile data, try to switch to Wi-Fi. The other thing you want to understand is that when you open up Viber and you get that kind of activation failed issue, do not try to send the code from the same page over and over again. Instead, what you want to do is just close Viber and then go ahead and then relaunch it again, and after you relaunch it, over here you should be able to log in after you've actually relaunched the application. The other way this also happens is due to your update, so make sure that you have updated the Viber app to the latest version as well. And after that, open up Viber. Now you can go ahead and simply try to log in or sign up by tapping on the sign up option, then enter your phone number, log into your account, then you should be able to fix that issue respectively. Hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.